Good afternoon. Welcome to Felicity Hotel. I am Mary Rose. How may I assist you today?
Hi, may I make a reservation, please?
Sure, ma'am. Just give me a minute. I'll check our reservation system.
Okay.
May I know the date of your reservation, please?
It's on the second day of March, and I will be staying here for 2 nights only.
Okay, miss. Just give me a moment. I'm sorry, may I know the date of your reservation again?
It's on the second day of March.
Okay. May I know the room type you want to reserve, ma'am?
May I have the superior room?
Okay, wait a minute, miss. Absolutely, miss. We have available rooms on March 2 until for 2 nights. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, miss. There was a problem with the reservation system, but it's okay for now, and I am delighted to say to you that we have available rooms on a superior room on March 2, 2024. What name will the reservation be listed under, miss?
It's under my name, Cherry Jane Nanando.
Okay, miss. Can you spell your name for me, please?
It's CHERRYJANEMANONDO.
Do you have any middle initial?
I have a middle initial. It's Remolado. It spells REMOLADO.
How about the date of your arrival? It's
on
March 2. Okay, miss.
Grade 4.
How many persons will the reservation for?
There will be only 2 of us.
Okay, miss. Great. May I know your home address?
It's Bunsay Bulinawan, Parcar City.
May I know your contact number, please?
It's 0968 7066 297.
Do you have any company card? Okay. Do you have any contact person? So if you are not being contacted, we'll contact the person.
Yes, I have. It's Davis of Pass.
May I know her contact number, please?
0987654321.
What is your mode of payment?
I have here a Visa card. Do you accept card here?
Yes, we do, miss. May I know your account name?
It's under my name, Cherry Jane.
May I know your account number?
It's 01234.
Does it have an expiry date?
No.
Okay. So our superior room is worth 5,000 pesos. Is that okay to you, miss?
Yes, that is okay.
Do you have any special request?
So far for now, nothing.
Okay, miss. Our superior room is worth 5,000 pesos every night. It has free Wi-Fi access. It has your own wardrobe. It has complimentary meals, and you can visit us to have any special requests. And since you book for 2 nights, you need to pay 10,000 pesos. Is that okay to you?
Yes, that would be okay.
But okay, alright, Miss Manando, but if for anything else, let me repeat everything.
Okay.
So, your name is Manando Cherry Jane. It's Mike, Alpha, November, Oscar, November, Delta, Oscar. And your name is Charlie, Hotel, Echo, Romeo, Yankee. And it's Juliet, Alpha, November, Echo. So your arrival is on March 2, 2024. So it will be 2 nights for 2 packs. And your home address is Bugsay, Bulnawan, Caror City. And your contact number is 0968-7066-297. And you book a superior room worth 5,000 pesos. And your mode payment is credit card. So your contact person is Devens Altas. Her contact number is 0987-654321. Is that correct, Miss Manando?
Yes, that's right.
Alright, Miss Manando. Is there anything else I can help you aside from your reservation?
Nothing. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Miss Manando. Again, I'm Mira Zimmerkoma and I'm happy to assist you. Keep safe.
Thank you.